Welcome back. Today we will learn about adjective phrase. Actually, we will learn about how we are going to identify an adjective phrase, which that is taken in the sentence. Okay. So before doing that, we must know what an adjective is, how it should be identified. Then we can jump for adjective phrase. Okay. So see, an adjective. Some call it adjective is a modifier, right? Okay, it's good, but let us simplify this. An adjective is a part of speech which modifies. That means gives more information about the noun, sitting before and after. So the thing is, an adjective phrase does the same work as an adjective does, but adjective phrase will have words more than one. When there is words more than one, then a single adjective it behaves as an adjective phrase. So let us see how it happens. See, in number one, we can call the man is selected. Okay. But see, if we look at the words in yellow, suitable for the post, why is this here? This one, this yellow words, give more information about this man. So the man suitable for the post is selected. Okay. So suitable for the post, this phrase gives more information about man. So this works as an adjective phrase. Okay. Say in brackets we have the instruction in red letter, red word. Okay, so since this phrase starts with an adjective, so we can call it an adjective phrase. Well, if you get back to number two, the man died in a car crash was a beggar. So died in a car crash, this phrase starts with a past participle, and it's to giving more information about the man. Which man? The man died in a car crash. So who was the beggar? The man who died in a car crash, right? So it starts with a past participle. So this is an adjective phrase. Again, in number three, see, have a look at this phrase, standing at the door. This phrase even gives more information about this man or modifies this word man. So it starts with a present participle. So we can call it a participle phrase. And the former one was also a participle phrase. But the little difference was that number two was the past participle phrase, and this one is the present participle phrase. And in number four, the man is my uncle. But what's more about this man? More about this man is that he is wearing a brown shirt. Okay, so the man in brown shirt, it's an adjective phrase. And have a look at this phrase. This phrase starts with a preposition. So normally we call it a prepositional phrase. But when it gives more information or modifies a noun, we can easily call it an adjective phrase. Now, number five, he seems really very happy. We all know that seem is a link verb, and normally a link verb takes an adjective after this. But if there are more words more than one, then it becomes an adjective phrase. So we could call he seems happy, but we're putting more words, before happy, like really and very. So it goes to be a phrase, really very happy. There are three words, so it's no more an adjective, rather it becomes an adjective phrase. And in number six, the cost of the phone, it's like number four in brown shirt. See, it too, starts with um, a preposition. So we can call it a prepositional phrase at the very outset, but uh, in the sentence, it turns to be an adjective phrase because the cost of the phone, this phrase gives more information about the cost. Which cost we're talking about? We're talking about the cost of the phone. Again, we have a be verb. It's like link verb. Here, this be verb, behaves as a link verb. So be verbs normally take an adjective, and the last one is an adjective. But we have pre-modifiers like to and way. So from way to high, and the phrase is way to high. Okay, so this behaves as an adjective phrase. So in bracket, we have the instruction. The first one is an adjective phrase. I mean, basically a prepositional phrase, but this is an adjective phrase because it gives more information and modifies. And the second one is an adjective phrase. Following this structure, B takes an adjective phrase. So the phrases in yellow are adjective phrases. Thank you very much to be here.